Starting a florist business sounds like a dream, right? Playing with colors, smelling roses, and being creative all day. But behind the ribbon, there's a real business to build. Today, we're looking at how to turn that floral passion into a paycheck. The best part of this job is the artistic side. You get to spend your days being creative, working with your hands, and actually making people happy with what you've built. It's a great feeling to know that something you made is out there brightening someone's day. The catch? You're working when everyone else is resting. Early mornings, late nights, and 0 holidays off. Plus, your inventory has a literal expiration date. It's a lot of hard work and long hours, but seeing your work come to life makes it all worth it. Flowers aren't just something people grab on the way home anymore. They're looking for a specific vibe and quality. Before you jump in, look at what other shops in your area are offering. If everyone is doing basic pre-made bundles, that's your chance to offer something better. Maybe lush, garden-style bouquets, or elegant, classic arrangements that really stand out. By focusing on a signature look or a higher level of craftsmanship that's currently missing, you aren't just another flower shop. You're the place people specifically seek out when they want something special. You don't need a fancy boutique on day one. You just need a solid workspace and, most importantly, reliable suppliers. Finding the right wholesalers is everything. Having fresh, high-quality stock is your literal lifeline and the only way to keep your customers coming back. Beyond that, if your skills feel a bit messy, take a workshop. It'll save you hours of frustration and wasted product. It's not the most exciting part, but don't skip the paperwork. Registering your business and getting insurance is what separates a hobby from a professional brand that clients can actually trust. In this industry, looks are everything. People won't know what you're capable of unless you show them. This is where IKOL comes in. It acts like a digital assistant, letting you set up a professional website in no time. You can easily build a portfolio that shines, showcasing your best work in one place. Even if you're just arranging flowers at your kitchen table, photograph them like they're for a magazine and put them on your site. Your first clients won't just find you, you have to find them. Network with wedding planners, partner with local shops, and let everyone know you're open. Word of mouth is your most powerful tool. One happy customer usually leads to many more. A floral business is a mix of messy hands and a creative heart. It's hard work, and some days are honestly exhausting. But seeing your vision come to life in a beautiful arrangement, that's the real bloom. IKOL, AI for business.